Okay. Um, Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a thing like a night vision thing where you can only see a part decal or something, or like you can like only see a certain part. Okay, so here's how we are going to start. So basically, we are going to add a screen GUI and storage UI. Then we're going to type in viewport frame, put that in, then scale it. Make sure you have a plugin that can have scale. Put both of them on scale. And then make the screen GUI disabled for now. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add. Oh shoot, my mouse turned off. Don't worry about that. Then you're gonna add a part of any kind. I don't care. And you're gonna make sure that part is anchored. Add a world model to your viewport frame, and then add a part to that world model. Then you're gonna go to the properties of the viewport frame, and then you're going to find current camera. Where is it? Here it is. Then you're gonna set that to camera. Now, what's gonna sound is that I'm gonna do screen. So basically, now we're going to add another screen GUI in Star GUI, and then you're gonna add a text button. Move the text button wherever you want. I don't care. You can name it however you want. I don't really care. But now we're doing a local script. Now, copy exactly what I do. Local button is script.parent, which this means that script is what we're typing in right now, or yeah, and then the parent is text button. So basically the text button, because the script we're writing right now, and the button is the parent of the script we're writing right now. So now you're going to write down local GUI equals button.parent. Now this is because the button, or no wait, it's button.parent.parent, because the button is parents with screen GUI, which then is parents with Star GUI. Well, actually, it's actually going to be game dot players, because we only want to see your player have this on. So then we're going to have local player. We don't want any other players having it popped up. Dot player GUI or GUI, and then you're going to write, well, the screen GUI. We're going to name this night for simple reasons. So, and then what we're going to do is we are going to add a function. So let's just say we take button dot mouse button click. Now what this will do is that once the thing is clicked, then we will add then it will trigger something. But it will connect to the button and then fire a function. So then we'll write down this. GUI dot enabled equals not GUI enabled. This is a toggle system, but we're gonna not be using this because the frame will be over your button. So now right after that, I think that's it. Or no. We have to make, because for reasons, we have to make the camera automatic, the current camera for the viewport frame all the way to this camera, because it won't save. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do GUI dot viewport frame dot current camera equals game.workspace dot camera. Then now since we have that aside, now what we can do is make a text button in the screen GUI, or the screen GUI night, and then you're going to add a local script to that. And then basically what this will do is we'll make sure this is so let's just do the button system like we did before, and then the GUI is night, and then button.mouse.click, and then instead of doing this, what the AI overview said, we're gonna do GUI dot enabled equals false, because this will only happen when the GUI is enabled. So now this thing should work. So just so you also know that night, or well, let's just play test it, and you should see the part. So basically, if we just did this, after it loads, so if we just pressed this, then it will see the invisible part that is right here. We can move our player and turn our camera. Now, if you want the effect of an actual thing, or an actual night vision system, then you're gonna copy the base plate and spawn location. Copy that, and then you're going to put it into, and then you're gonna press Command or Control if you're on Windows, Shift V, and then the spawn location and and base plate will show up. Make sure if you have a bigger map, do everything in your workspace. Now, all jokes aside, I'm gonna start posting videos every single week. So subscribe subscribe if if you were interested in all my Roblox gaming videos. I do Roblox tutorials, sometimes figure out genres of doing games. I don't really do games all the time, but yeah. So now back to the video. Alright, so basically then what you're going to do is, if you want, you can change the viewport frame's ambient and light color. I'm just going to turn it into a good green. And then we're going to copy all of those into here. We're also going to make the background color the color. And then, yeah, so basically now it should work. But especially for a night vision, you should probably also have like just like good lighting. So also, if you want this is just extra. If you want, I will post another video. The link will be down in the description, but I'll be posting another video on how to make like light up cameras, or like light up your player, and so then you can see things. Okay, now basically after that, what you're going to do is, you can do this if you want. Change the lighting to ambient 0. Then change the brightness to 0. Then change the sky, then change the time on lighting to 0. This will give you a really dark effect. This is only if you want. And also remember, I'll be making like a little like light aura around you, so then you can see, like kind of like doors and stuff, examples. But now if you press the button, it will have this green, and you can see your part right there. You can also add another part, or like copy that part, and then make the transparency into 1, which I'm going to show you right now. So basically, you're going to go into night, you're going to go onto the viewport frame, find the part that is on the frame, hit Control C, or if you're on Mac, Command C, and then Command or Control Shift V into the workspace, and then you're going to make it transparency to 1, make sure it's anchored, and then you have your night vision system. And also, if you want a decal, only like a hidden decal, only put it in the part that is in the world model viewport frame, because this will make it so then the decal won't show in the workspace on your player's eyes. So that's how you make a night vision system. Make sure to like and to subscribe, and if I forgot to mention, my name is Dean, and hope you have a great day. Hope you have a great day. Bye.